Hey guys, what's up? It's Jordan from AppleCritics, and today I have a very special video. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is actually burying my iPhone 11 Pro in the snow. It actually is the coldest place on earth today, so that's in my city, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So I'm just going to be testing out the durability of the iPhone 11 Pro, and I'm just generally curious to see if the iPhone 11 Pro can survive extreme cold weather. Let's say, for example, you dropped your phone or lost it, and this is just out of my curiosity, just wondering if it'll actually be able to survive. So Edmonton today is actually colder than Antarctica, the North Pole, everything like that. So it's really shocking that it's this cold today, and we do have some extreme weather, especially in January. So I was able to check my phone. I saw a few tweets that said Edmonton is the coldest place on earth here, and then there's another one there and more. So I thought, what better to do than to show everybody on YouTube how good the iPhone 11 Pro actually is or is not when it comes to extreme cold weather. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So currently it is minus 36 degrees Celsius, and you can take a look at how the weather is later in the day. It gets pretty cold, but I get some more information, and at the bottom it says it feels like minus 46 with wind chill. So we're going off the temperature actually feels like, so minus 46 degrees outside is super cold. Now we can go into another app. So we can go into the Weather Network app, and it currently says minus 34 degrees Celsius, and it feels like minus 44. So if we go into the hourly temperature, that is when it gets really interesting. So it goes to feeling like minus 45 to minus 40. But if we go to 4 a.m. tomorrow, it's gonna feel like minus 49. So that's when it gets really extreme. So we're gonna see if the iPhone 11 Pro can stand the test of the time. Hopefully it is up for this challenge. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Now I was able to grab some bottled water outside, and you can see it's even frozen, so that gives an idea of how cold it has to be to freeze some bottled water that was just outside in the garage. So I'm currently in my car right now, just seeing how cold it is, and you can see my breath. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to start up my car. So currently my car is not starting. So now we're outside with the iPhone 11 Pro. So we can take a look at it right here. Now the snow is pretty deep. So here is my shoe. And you can see how far it goes down. So you can see it's quite a large amount of snow. Now we can take a look at the outside surroundings and see how much snow there actually is. And we can just do some walking. So it's a lot of snow over here. And this table actually gives you an ideal representation of how much snow that there actually is. So here we are. So hopefully my iPhone 11 Pro survives, but I'm just gonna try my best and have my fingers crossed. So this is gonna be a really exciting video. Haven't seen it done on YouTube, and I'm super excited to see the results, especially for everybody watching. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put the iPhone 11 Pro in the snow. This is brand new. You can see that this is the real deal. You can just go ahead and drop the iPhone 11 Pro right here. And now you can see how deep it is. And now I can cover it with some snow and see if it works. Now my iPhone 11 Pro is currently outside in the snow, so I'm just super curious to see if it will work. My inkling is that it will work, but I could be wrong. I just feel like if it's waterproof, it should kind of be snowproof as well. And I just hope that it will still work. So that's all I'm guessing. That's my guess. This is just the video intermission. So hopefully it did work. I don't know. I'm just highly optimistic that it will work. So let's go ahead and see the results. So now a few hours have passed, and I'm super excited to see if my iPhone 11 Pro actually survived the snow and the cold weather, because it is about minus 50 right right now, and I'm actually shaking holding onto the camera right now, so I'm super excited to see if this actually did work. Once again, retracing my footsteps and looking to where I buried it, and here it is. So here is the iPhone 11 Pro. Looks like it's still working, so that's really good news. You can see it's 12:02. I dropped my phone at around 9:15. If you look earlier in the video, you can see that there is some residue from the snow, but otherwise than that, it's still working. So you can see that the Face ID isn't working right now, but it is because I am using the camera. But the iPhone 11 Pro is working, so I could just enter in my passcode. Now once you enter in my passcode, you can see that the iPhone 11 Pro is still working. You can open up the camera and see if the camera is working, so you can see that it is. I could go ahead and take a picture. I can go ahead and take a look at the view right now. So with me, I can go ahead and take a selfie. And everything like that is working, especially with the 3 camera lenses. We can take a look at that. Now we can take a look at the music, and now I can take a look if the music is playing just as loud as it was before. So you could hear it. The speakers are a little low right now, but they should come back to normal. But other than that, it's just amazing that my iPhone 11 Pro is working again. So I'm just glad to see that it is working. And I wasn't sure what to expect. 50% of me said that it would work, and another 50% was very skeptical. Because the iPhone 11 Pro does have a waterproof ability of 30 minutes, but I actually put it in for about closer to 3 hours, so it's good that the iPhone 11 Pro is still working, and I guess it did happen to survive the test. So this is definitely another reason to buy the iPhone 11 Pro. Thank you for watching this video on the iPhone 11 Pro. Please be sure to subscribe to this video. Please smash the like button down below so I know you watched. Also be sure to comment down below. Be sure to share this on Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, LinkedIn, on your pager, on anything, on any social media, MySpace, Nexopia. Just put this video everywhere you can. I really want to see if this video can go viral. If you are on Reddit, post it on Reddit and just show why Apple is better than Android. Now, I can do a part 2 of this video using an Android phone if you like, so maybe if we hit 10,000 likes or something like that, I'll do a part 2 with my Samsung Galaxy Note Plus and see if it works. So once again, this is Jordan and you're watching Apple Critics.